Good afternoon. My name is Emily Sterner, and today we will be discussing the best screening software for an education setting. We will be discussing Screencastify, Loom, and the Screencast-O-Matic applications. First, we will discuss what is screencasting. Malloy and his colleagues described screencasting as a digital recording of a computer screen that includes the voiceover narration. These screencasts can include annotation, graphics, videos, photos, on-screen text, music, and interactive media to help explain ideas and concepts to students. The first application that we'll be looking at is Loom. According to Hall and Associates, Loom is beneficial for video feedback and modeling concepts. They include that Loom is a free, simple-to-use video messaging tool that can record using a webcam, screen, or both simultaneously. The ability to include closed captioning and transcripts of the video makes the programming more accessible to students. The highlighting and drawing tools that are available help students understand material, though this is only available on the desktop app and not with the Chrome extension. The editing features included are not extensive, but they are simple to use. Loom offers multiple tiers of payment plans. The free version comes with the starter attributes, which include 50 Creators Lite, which are free users that can access your library. You can have up to 25 videos in your library. You have a 5-minute maximum length per video, a company shared space, instant editing, unlimited transcriptions, viewer insights, but this will include the Loom logo. They then have options for business and enterprise, which includes more features and the ability to have more videos at longer lengths. Beyond these, they have an education option that's free once you are verified using your school email. The education tier allows you unlimited videos. Each video has a maximum length of 45 minutes. You can have unlimited viewers. It comes with a personal, shared, and team library. It also includes folders and search features that help with organization, a drawing tool and mouse emphasis, viewer insights, and password-protected videos that you can share with your students. The next application that we'll look at is Screencastify. McGlenn and Kelly comment that Screencastify was used to record short lab demonstrations for visual examples of concepts for their study. They found that the extension was a powerful tool to support visual and auditory learners. The ability to annotate while recording is a helpful tool for educators. The editing feature in this program is extensive and helps to create seamless videos for posting. You can also integrate Screencastify with your learning management system. This ability allows you to create assignments and receive video submissions from your students. The videos you post can include interactive questions for students to answer as they watch. You can upload your videos straight to Google Classroom or to Edpuzzle, Remind, and YouTube. You also can use an embedded code, QR code, or direct link, giving accessibility to your students. There are 3 tiers of payment for Screencastify. The first tier is free and allows 10 videos per library, includes a 30-minute max length for each video, comes with 10 gigabytes of video storage. You are allowed to have 1 active assignment and a 30-minute max for exporting videos. At the higher tiers, you get longer lengths and an unlimited video storage. At the pro level, you can have unlimited active assignments, which is helpful for educators. The last program that we'll be talking about is Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic can record your screen and record off of your webcam. As Permana and Associates comment, this feature allows for a teacher to display material and their face for creating a more personal experience in a distant setting. The ability to use your webcam for recording also helps them wanting to include demonstrations for students. The program also integrates with an extensive list of applications. This includes integrating with learning management systems. For education purposes, you can also have access to quizzing and polling at the Solo Max and Team Business payment plan levels. With Screencast-O-Matic, your editing can include trimming the recording and adding text, arrows, shapes, images, and music to the recording. You can also provide a direct link or share directly to YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Google Classroom, along with your learning management system that you integrated with. Screencast-O-Matic has a wide range of payment plans, each building off of each other and giving more features at each level. At the free level, you get a 15-minute maximum for recording, and captions have to be uploaded from a file. At each tier, you then get unlimited length per video and full editing features. You also have options for automated captions, which includes accessibility for students. Screencast-O-Matic also comes with payment plans specifically for education. As you can see, at the Solo Max and Team Business levels, they have the advanced analytics and the video quizzes and polls, which are useful for education. Thank you for your time.